Your boss told you to maximize your 401k. They were wrong. For most young professionals, that safe advice is actually costing you a fortune in future taxes. See, most financial advice is generic. It's designed for the average person, not for someone trying to aggressively build wealth. We've spent hundreds of hours analyzing tax brackets and compound interest curves to find the exact tipping point where traditional savings become a liability. Today, we're exposing the tax bracket trap. If you're earning around $60,000 a year, the math changes completely. The 401k isn't always the gold standard. In fact, at this income level, it might be a trap. I'm going to show you exactly why the Roth IRA wins for 60k earners and the specific investment priority ladder you need to follow to keep your money away from the IRS. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to put your next dollar to maximize your passive income and retire significantly richer. Most of us were taught the same script. Contribute as much as you can to your 401k. It sounds responsible. It feels safe. But here is the reality. A traditional 401k isn't a gift. It's a loan from the government. You aren't saving on taxes. You're just pushing the bill down the road. Imagine you're making $60k a year. You're in a relatively low tax bracket. You're playing the game by the rules. But fast forward 30 years. You've worked hard. Your investments have grown. Now, you go to withdraw that money to actually live your life. That's when the IRS steps in. They don't care that you saved for decades. They want their cut. And they'll tax that withdrawal at whatever the rates are then asterisk. If tax rates go up, which history suggests they will, just locked yourself into a massive tax liability. You thought you were building a nest egg. In reality, you built a shared account with the government. And they always get paid first. For someone earning 60k, this isn't just a mistake. It's a mathematical disaster. You're trading a small tax break today for a giant tax headache tomorrow. Here is the truth. Neither account is bad, but choosing the wrong one for your current income is like wearing a winter coat in July. It's just not the right tool for the job. To understand why, we have to talk about the tax bracket trap. Let's start with the traditional 401k. This is a tax-deferred account. You put money in before the government takes their cut. It lowers your taxable income today. If you make 60k, contributing 5k to a 401k tells the IRS you only made $55k. That feels great right now. But here is the catch. You aren't avoiding taxes. You're just delaying them. You will pay taxes on every single penny you withdraw in retirement. Now look at the Roth IRA. It's the exact opposite. With a Roth, you pay taxes up front. You put in after-tax dollars. It sounds worse, right? Who wants to pay taxes now? But here is the magic. Once that money is inside the Roth, it grows tax-free. And when you retire, every single cent you withdraw is yours. No taxes, no matter how high tax rates climb in 20 years. This is where the 60k earner gets trapped. If you are early in your career making 60k, you are likely in one of the lowest tax brackets of your life. Why would you save a little bit of tax today, at a low rate, only to pay a potentially much higher rate when you're wealthy in retirement? That is the trap. You're trading a cheap tax bill today for an expensive one tomorrow. So, how do you actually play this? You need a waterfall strategy. Tier 1, the 401k match. If your boss offers a 3% match, put in 3%. That is a 100% instant return. Never leave free money on the table. Tier 2, max out the Roth IRA. This is where you build your tax-free fortress. Put every extra dollar here until you hit the annual limit. Tier 3, go back to the 401k. If you still have money to invest after the Roth is full, throw the rest into the 401k. By following this order, you lock in your low tax rate now and create a massive pool of tax-free wealth for the future. Imagine waking up at 60. You check your account, millions of dollars. And because you played the Roth game, the IRS gets exactly zero. That is the power of escaping the tax trap while you're still in a lower bracket. But here is the catch. You can't do this in a standard savings account. You need a dedicated brokerage. If you're ready to stop overpaying the government, I've linked my top recommendations in the description. For a classic low-fee experience, go with Vanguard or Fidelity. If you want an automated, set-it-and-forget-it system, check out Wealthfront or Betterment. The difference between a millionaire retiree and someone struggling is simply when they started. Stop waiting for a better time. Click the link below, open your Roth IRA, and lock in your tax-free future right now.